Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. Today I'm just going to play around with some medical exam paper. Got this on Amazon, Fifth Pulse. It's called exam table paper. You can see that. It's a big roll, 17 inches by 125 feet. My camera's getting a little blurry here. But it's a pretty nice size roll that will last me for a long time. So I cut up some sheets, squares, to fit my 5x7 gel plate. And I'm just going to play around with prints, nothing planned. All right. So I'm going to start with some quinacridone nickel azo gold. I like this color. And let's see what types of marks I can make. So here's a paper towel roll insert. And so I'm just going to start with some circles. It helps if you use a thin layer of paint. Just circles. Okay. It's still wet. So let's pull it. Now this exam paper has a smooth side, a rough side. I'm going to pull it on the smooth, shinier side. And it hugs the plate. It's very thin. Now, I have not tried this before. I've not really worked with this. I don't believe I have. I've done so many videos, but I don't recall. So it gives a nice clean pull. There are these pretty circles. Okay, so we can try another color. And I'm using golden fluid. I'm using more of their translucent paints, not their opaque, more translucent. And you could tell by the ticks, you could see through to the black lines. You know, it's more translucent and not opaque like some of the other colors. This is a Viridian green hue. It's a nice green. I'm going to try this. I've used this before. The imprint of my rubber bands here. Perhaps I should have tried even using the other side, which I have never used. And so let's pull this. Now this medical exam paper is very good for collaging. It's thin. It will, when you use the matte medium to glue it down, it will become more transparent. And so here's that very nice color. Okay, go with some ultramarine violet. And I'm going to go with, this is like what you use when you're decorating cakes. I've had it for the longest and never really used it. There are things that we have in our kitchen, things we discard of regularly that could be used in printmaking on the gel plate. So this is just a few examples. Also showing you how the medical exam paper does a good job of printing. Let's see. We'll try another color here. Let's go with a little iridescent bronze. And I'm going to put a little, what's left of my quinacridone magenta here. The bottom. It's pretty much gone. And I want to try, I have this rolling pin. I bought it because I liked the print design. I don't know how well that will come out. Maybe it'll be very faint at best. Yeah, you see it. Yeah. It's interesting. So the medical exam paper, pretty neat. For printing out on the gel plate. It works very well. Gives a nice clean pull. And it might be something worth giving a shot at. That's just a quick tip. Thanks for joining me. Keep doing art. Till next time.